Hello and good afternoon, everybody. This is Travis here at Kinion Auto and Classics, and I'm going to show you a 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Now this is a tribute SS. It's not a true SS, but it is a Chevrolet Chevelle, and it was restored as an SS tribute and done very well. Now you can see as I go around it here, I'm going to just kind of do a walk around and show you the general view of it. And hopefully this video is okay. I left the door open because it's really nice out today, and it's about time for Iowa that we got some of this weather. You see the paint job is excellent. The lines, the gaps. Look at the lines there between the door. I can show you the hood, and I'll get close up as well. But everything is as you would want. It has a 396 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, center console, and horseshoe shifter in the middle. And like I said, the paint, the chrome, the brightwork, all what you want in a car. You've got a set of Cobra Radial GT tires on it. It's got power disc brakes and power brakes all the way around. Dual exhaust, of course, and let's take a look. Let's go ahead and open the doors here. The doors open very easily, close great. You can see the door jambs look great. You've got your kick panel there, and body by Fisher restoration, which is a classic and respected. You can see the back seat looks excellent. Got a 1972 Chevelle manual there. The seats are in excellent condition. The dash is completely flawless. I mean, no cracks or breaks or anything like that. There's your horseshoe shifter and center console. Good. Retrosound radio. The door panels are, I mean, they look brand new, and they have the SS badging. Again, they did the tribute portion of it correctly. And you've got a scooped hood there with the black racing stripes, which looks excellent. And let's see. Forgive me for the hood portion of this because I struggle with that sometimes, so I'm going to set the camera down. So here's the engine bay, and as you can see, you've got painted fender wells, painted firewall. You've got a chrome air filter with the 396 like decals on it. Chrome master cylinder there. Chrome valve covers. And I believe that's a set of long tube headers there. You can see that they took attention to detail with the spark plug wires and making sure that they were wrapped and bundled right and kept away from, you know, getting heated up. Chrome fan there. Aluminum radiator. So this car was restored well, taken care of well, and done right. You can see there too the hood is not rusted and looks excellent there. Go over to the driver's side here and the door and show you this as well. I have the window down because I drove it in here and it's warm, but the window rolls down and up just fine. And like I said, the one thing with our videos is that Adam has taught me, and as you can see when he shoots the video, he tries to show you all the parts of the car, good and bad. And so, like, going around, I mean, we're talking the bad parts are things like right there's a fleck out, maybe something there, but I mean, the paint on this car, I mean, it's hard to find things that are wrong with it. The glass on it, the brightwork, the details, the chrome, the seats, all of it. Look at the headrest, I guess. I mean, there's maybe one little ripple. I don't even know if it shows up on the video there. And this car starts up and runs great. I mean, I don't want to kick myself in the butt, but I mean, I don't think I've had to turn the key ever more than once, so we'll see. Well, still true. The odometer reads 4,000 miles. Obviously, I don't know if that's original or not. Probably not, but and then you got your Retrosound radio, which includes Bluetooth and all those things. It's got a pair of 6x9 Sony speakers in the back, and it's got kick panel speakers right here next to my leg in the passenger seat. And we're not going to take this out for a full drive, but we can drive it out of the table room here. See, we got a few other cars out today, and it's finally getting nice here in Iowa, so that's a nice thing to be able to have. You can hear that exhaust. Sounds excellent. So, sorry if there's a little bit of wind here, but 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute. Gorgeous car, gorgeous paint, starts, runs, and drives great. KinionAuto.com, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check out our other videos here on YouTube. Subscribe to us. We've got obviously a ton of other classic cars that you can check out, and that's over 100 different cars. And so subscribe to us, watch our other videos, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.